Welcome to Train Signal. You're watching a lesson on network cabling and connectors. Now I will tell you that this is the first of a series of lessons that I have put together for you here that have to do with the networking aspect of computing. And you may be thinking to yourself, well, wait a minute, I thought this was an A+ course and this is all about building computers and all about the computer components. Well, keep in mind that one of the primary components in, well, pretty much all of today's computers is some form of network card, okay, or communications card, or some way to have that computer talk to another computer. So networking is a major part of computing in today's world, and that's why I have these lessons on networking for you.